Welcome back to Bazaar Morning Call. Well, let's shift focus to the commodity markets. Manisha Gupta is joining in. Manisha, what's the one commodity you're tracking today?
Well, I'm looking at the crude oil prices, Sonia, because we started the day with $90, but we are trading above 91 at this point in time. So while the crude oil prices continue to be volatile, but we have seen buying opportunity or interest in the Asian markets right now. So we did see gains of 6% on Friday, and in the last week, we saw crude prices gain up by nearly 7.5%. There have been various factors which we have seen supportive for the markets. Investors, for one, are factoring in a possibility right now of wider West Asia conflict, because that's the kind of statements we've heard from various Middle East countries. We also have seen Iran warning of war expanding if Gaza blockade persists, and we will hear more about that in the day-to-day. Apart from that, US also has asked to de-escalate the Israel-Gaza conflict. Is the reason that you saw some profit-taking early in the Asian markets, but that clearly got bought into, as we can see. And then we have also seen US come out and impose first-ever sanctions on tanker companies which are carrying the Russian crude oil above the G7 price cap of $60 a barrel. We do know that the Russian Urals as of now are priced at $75 a barrel, nearly $15 higher than where the G7 put a price cap there. And then OPEC also says that for the next year, or rather for this quarter, they are looking at global crude stocks to be in a deficit and could see a decline by nearly 3 million barrels per day. So even as demand is not picking up as much as you would want it to, the supply concerns, the geopolitical concerns are all weighing into the markets. The positive also came in from China, where we have seen fresh cash injection come in yet again today. So that also led to some liquidity into the markets. And the US production in the meanwhile has seen record highs of 13.2 million barrels per day of production in the month of September. That is something that will keep the prices in the check going forward. But I do want to show you on how the crude prices have been in this year until now. We started with 82. The lowest for this year has been $70 a barrel, which we did see in the month of June. And then between June, July, August, September, we saw the prices run to the high of nearly $96 a barrel. There was a big amount of profit taking. We did see the prices decline all the way to 84 and 85 on 1st of October. But since then, there has been a rebound yet again, and $6 of gain in what you have seen in last one fortnight coming yet again for the crude oil prices.
Okay, thanks a lot, Manisha, for that. Let's